This is a nice easy colourwork project. It's a beanie, great for a first time project for colourwork. And now how we do this is we've got 2 strands of 2 different colours that we're carrying through the round via floats, which are these long stitches at the back. And I'm just going to show you how we do that. It's a nice simple pattern that looks really effective. So this stitch here is my dominant colour, which is the colour I've started with. So when I knit the dominant colour, that strand of yarn goes over the top of all the stitches at the back, like so. And then the next colour is the second colour, which is not the dominant colour, so I'm going to carry that strand underneath my dominant colour, like so, and just knit the next 3 stitches. And then once again I'm up to the dominant colour, so that strand I'm going to pick it up from back there and just knit it over the top. Now the reason that we choose to have a dominant colour is then we won't end up with tangled yarn, and we have nice even looking floats on the back. The tension on our floats is important. We don't want it too tight that it bunches our stitch work, and we don't want it too loose that everything's very loopy on the back. So because we're only going as wide as 3 stitches, we're not having to catch our floats. So just have your stitches spread out evenly, not too, you don't need to spread them right out when you pull in the second strand of colour. Just have them like nice and even like so. And we're not pulling the yarn, so this is our second colour, it's not dominant, so it's going underneath our dominant strand there. And we're not pulling it real tight, we are just knitting with a nice even tension. Dominant colour, so we're picking up that strand, wherever it is, and that's going over the top. And then switching again, so often I'll just put it over the top like that so that I don't get it caught up with my other strand. Do the next 3. And then we are switching again to our dominant colour for 1 stitch. So this comes around and so forth.